So here's how to make the platformer. I'll put that, where will I put that? In the final platformer videos. And I'll call them platformer intro. No, let's call it platformer final, and I'll have all the bits in there. Just do it progressively, though they should be standalone. Former, cool. Make it 2D. Now, at this point here, you can go and tick the 2D thing if you want to bring it in, but I won't do that. I'll just go and make the game anyway. And we're going to work on this bit first in this video. I'll do the new scene. I'll just quickly go through that because I know everyone's got it sorted like that. And then I'll skip the tile maps, and then add the coins will be the next bit. Just waiting on Unity to come up, so I'll just pause it for a minute. Alright, so the first part is bring in the 2D package, import package 2D. And that'll bring in everything you need. Just click it all. You can get rid of stuff later if you want to. Not sure why it's so slow, but I'll just pause it again while we're waiting. Alright, so that's come in now, and I'll open this up. It's running a bit slow. And in the 2D folder is all the bits you need to get started. So go to prefabs, and in here we've got our little robot character. We'll drop him in the scene next to the camera. Let's go change the camera to just 16 by 9 because that's how we're going to ship our game. We'll drop in a massive platform just to try it all out. Using W key to move this, put it there, and then we have our basic character up and running. I can run left and right and jump and stuff, and I think you can crouch if you get stuck under things, I'm not sure, but there's some sort of roll technique as well. But there's the start of the platformer. You can add in crates and stuff with full physics. I don't know whether you want to use that, but often in a platformer you will have, you push these things around to get higher. And what we need to do now is have a camera that follows. There's a couple of cameras here. The first one seems like it might be a good one, but I actually prefer the next one. We've got camera 2D follow. Let's drop that onto the main camera. Tell the main camera about the character, and set your size to whatever you want. Zoom in and zoom out over here. I'll just go with 5 for now. Hit play, and then the camera sort of follows it around. It's a bit hard to see what it's doing, so I'll just put in some upright support so we can see the concept behind it. So I'll just chuck in an extents here. Extents is basically another collider so that you don't go off the map. And one here, but I'll deliberately leave a gap here so we can do the kill floor. So let's chuck the kill floor in as well. Chuck that in here, and that's just a nice collider so that when you drop through the floor it resets the game. If we have a look at kill zone, it's got a restarter script. Restarter script, basically, if you look here, if the tag other player, or sorry, if other is player, then load the scene at 0, and that just means either the scene you've designated here, I can just add that right there. Oh, got to save it. So level 1, I can add that current one there, or whatever was the first scene. So I'll play it now, and I'll move around, and the camera scrolls with me with a bit of an offset, and then I get to there and I can't go any further, and then when I hit the hole in the floor I die and I reset. Okay, so that's the first part of the video done. You can just add, let's just add a few crates here for the hell of it, and maybe another platform just to see how far to see how far you can jump in preparedness for the next bit. So check that like that, put that there, and we have just a basic sort of, I can't get it up there, so I'll jump on that. That's the point of that. And this one here, whoops, can't jump there. Be great if I had another box as part of the puzzle. Cool. And then we get up here, we can jump here if we get up higher, so that sort of thing. And then maybe there's the exit there. So I'll stop that video there, and that'll be the first one, and I'll save this scene as a standalone bit. So save that, and I'm going to go put this, to find out where your project is, go right click on Asset, Show in Explorer. So I will go copy that afterwards once I finish the video, and there'll be a video sitting right here called Platformer Final 1, and then you'll see Final 2, Final 3, and so on.